These town halls are getting downright frightening. This video fed into us this morning.
Why do you continue to support a Nazi policy?
With regard to the protests against Obama's town hall, this man holding a sign.
If we're able to stop Obama on this, it will be his Waterloo.
And he has a gun strapped to his leg.
So, can you explain the flower gun?
Well, I'm having a little fun with my friends from New Hampshire. There was a man in New Hampshire who showed up at one of these healthcare rallies with his right to bear arms, so he brought a real gun. But I'm taking a little comic tribute and bringing a water gun to the rally.
Just the other day, one Republican senator said, and I'm quoting him now, "If we're able to stop Obama on this, it will be his Waterloo. It will break him." Think about that.
They all decide whether you live and die. They decide whether you get your fingers back or whether you get your toes back or whether they're going to put any money into saving you with experimental surgery.
Not later!
So, some of the signs are confusing to some people. Why 83%?
Because that's the figure. It's 83% of the public. Oh, 83% of the public love the public option. In other words, when people are polled and the public option is explained to them, you get an 83% support.
It says public option, yes.
And can you explain to an international audience, what is a public option?
Well, I'll try. There is some debate about just what is supposed to be in a public option, but the basic idea is that the government would set up an insurance company that would operate a lot like a private insurance company, would get all its funding essentially from charging premiums rather than from tax dollars.
Carrying a gun at a presidential event.
And you want us to believe that a government that can't even run a cash for clunkers program is going to run 1/7 of our U.S. economy. No, sir. No.
Government run healthcare versus
Stop socialism! Stop socialism! Stop socialism! Stop socialism!
The other choices were, we're not Nazis. Or, we heart Barney Frank.
Barney!
Or, okay, is it socialism or Nazism? Take your pick, it can't be both.
As you stand there with a picture of the president, the face to look like Hitler, and compare the effort to increase health care to the Nazis, my answer to you is, as I said before, it is a tribute to the First Amendment that this kind of vile, contemptible nonsense is so freely propagated.
People feel that there are certain things that are going to take place which are not at all factual.
I'm Darlene Otterson. This is my vlog. I just stepped out of the shower and I was thinking to myself, you know, there actually are death panels. Only it's not Obama's health care plan. The death panels are your insurance agency.
So based on false information, this anger has been stirred up unnecessarily, and it's a shame because we're not really talking about the issue where people are just venting.
Take care of yourself. Why should I have to pay for it? Why you want here? Take the money out of my tax. Steal it from me. Steal it from me right there. Tim, trying to have a conversation with you would be like trying to argue with a dining room table. I have no interest in doing it.